You study for hours, but still remember nothing. And the worst part, you start thinking maybe you're just lazy. But the truth is, you're not lazy. You're just using the wrong system. The problem is not your effort, it's your method. And today, you'll understand why you study more but learn nothing. First, be honest. How many hours do you actually study every day? Most people will say 4, 5, even 8 hours. But let me tell you something. Hours don't matter. What matters is how your brain is working during those hours. The first mistake is fake studying. You open a book, read the same page again and again, and call it studying. But that's not learning. That's just an illusion. Psychology says when you passively repeat information, your brain stops paying attention. It goes into auto mode. You feel like you're studying, but in reality, you're just wasting time. Here's the fix. Read, pause, recall. Read something, close the book, and ask yourself, what did I just learn? If you can't explain it, you didn't learn it. Now wait, this is just the beginning. The next mistake is even worse. Most students fall into the passive learning trap. They watch videos, highlight notes, and feel productive, but they never test themselves. And here's the truth. Learning doesn't happen when you consume information. It happens when you struggle to recall it. That's why toppers do something different. They close the book and test themselves. No notes, no hints, just brain versus question. That struggle is what builds real memory. And now comes the mistake that destroys your focus completely. You count hours, but you don't measure focus. You study for 3 hours, but check your phone every 5 minutes. That's not studying. That's distraction with a book in your hand. Your brain only learns in deep focus. 20 minutes of real focus is better than 2 hours of distraction. So next time you sit to study, keep your phone away. Turn off notifications and focus on one thing only. Now, here's where most students fail, even if they study properly. You study today and forget everything tomorrow, and then you think something is wrong with you. But it's not your fault, it's your system. Your brain is designed to forget unless you remind it again. Use this simple rule. Revise after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days. This one system can double your memory. But wait, there's one more mistake that makes everything useless. Most students try to memorize everything without understanding, and that's why they forget. Because your brain doesn't store random facts, it stores patterns. So instead of memorizing, try to understand. Ask yourself, why does this make sense? That one question can completely change the way you learn. And finally, the biggest hidden problem. You study when you feel motivated, and you stop when you don't. That's not a system, that's a mood. Top students don't rely on motivation, they follow a system. Same time, same method, every single day. Consistency beats motivation every time. So the problem is not that you study less, the problem is that you study the wrong way. More hours won't fix it, a better system will. Now the choice is yours. Keep wasting time or start studying smart. If you made it this far, comment "Smart Study" and subscribe to Mindstick because this is where your mind gets upgraded.